Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do 10-minute full body mobility session. We're gonna do full body, but mostly we're gonna focus on our hip openers and side stretches. So the first exercise, we're gonna sit in L-sit and we're gonna reach with the arms up, and then we're gonna go into the forward fold. Try to extend your body as much as you can. Now go to one side and then go to the other one. You can just breathe normally, so inhale and exhale into the stretch. And to the other side. Repeat as many times as you wish. The second exercise, we're focusing on our hip openers with this hip opening stretches. Try to rotate a little bit further every single time, and then lift one arm up and reach over your body. Here you can explore your movements as much as you wish, however your body feels and wherever it takes you. Just take the journey. Now place the forearm on the ground and reach with one arm back and forth. Here we are also stretching the lats, side body, and we are working on the opening of one side of the hip. And we repeat everything on the other side. Again, forearm on the ground, inhale, exhale, reach. It's also, we're doing shoulder mobility here when we are swaying with the arms up and back. Amazing work. Now we're gonna enter a little bit into the challenging exercise where we're gonna just floss up and down like this over your shin bone just to open up a little bit more. And now the back leg will go forward. Now you're gonna lean forward and you're gonna go into the figure 4 stretch. We're gonna open the hip and now slowly reverse the movement. That's really good mobility exercise. And now swing with your leg back and we go to the other side. Okay, adjust your body, make sure that your legs are 90 degrees in the knees, leg goes back and forward, and now lean forward. Here you're gonna have to have very good ankle mobility, and here we're opening the hip and stretching the glute muscles and slowly reversing and lowering our body down. Full body control is required here. You can always help yourself with hands and arms if you need to. The next exercise, we're gonna lie on our back and we're gonna do the bridge extensions. So we go down, lift up, open up the front part of the body and reach with the opposite arm to the opposite side. Every single time, try to reach a little bit further, but always listen to your body and just go as far as you still feel comfortable, but slight tension, but never pain or like severe restriction. All right, you went too far if this happens. Try to repeat a few more times. This one feels really, really good. The next exercise, now we're gonna work on our hamstring stretch. Just grab your feet. If you have your yoga straps, you can use that as well. And now another challenging, we go into the plow pose. If you cannot do fully plow pose, of course, put your feet against the wall, hold it, and now slowly with control movement, roll back to the floor. Keep your lower back pressed to the mat at all times. And now again. So this movement is slow, controlled, but we are not holding the plow pose like in yoga. We're just doing mobility exercise, and we are also massaging spine when we are going back. And you're gonna feel your core working really, really hard in this one. Now extend your arms backwards and try to go back up into the forward fold. Amazing. So now we're gonna start with our inner thighs, and we're going into the thoracic bridge. So inhale, exhale, we are opening the hips, opening our groins, stretching the groins, and now we're going into the tripod where we are extending sideways again. And this one is very good, like this tripod movement here. It's very good for our thoracic spine, especially if you're sedentary or behind your desk a lot and you suffer from the upper body pain. So this will help you a lot. And now just relax a little bit. Now we're going into the reclining twist. We're going to stretch our spine, our glutes, our hamstrings, IT band, piriformis muscle, gluteus medius maximus, so all the good muscles in our lower body. And now change the sides. You can go a little bit on one side and then you rotate. Put your shoulders on the ground, and then if the knee touches the ground, amazing. If it doesn't really matter. Just listen to your body. And again, try to lift the leg up and go over. It feels really, really amazing. Whenever we have spinal stretches, just go slow, listen to your body, and just do what it feels good. All right, let's go up, cross your feet and jump into the plank. Gonna lower ourselves down into chaturanga, upward facing dog. Now we're gonna do a little bit of the push-ups. So just tuck your toes and just go with your upper body down into the tricep push-ups. So we are moving only the upper body, the lower body stays still. This one is very, very intense. If you cannot do this one yet, you can just go into the up dog, down dog, and then you walk back out into the yogi squat. Again, we're working on our hip mobility, and here we are working on the opening of our chest, a little bit of the upper body strength, and then walk back into the yogi squat. You can also do some kind of movements here if you wish to open the hips a little bit more. And you continue for a few more reps. And just breathe. Move with ease, move with flow. And now to the final stretches. Just walk into the center of the mat. You can do some bear walks. Now go into the down dog and rotate a little bit. Grab your feet, grab your ankles, shin bones. And now jump into the middle and relax. Again, into the pencil stretch and relax. And you can stay here for next 5 minutes or slowly continue with your day. Thank you so much for joining me in this quick mobility session. And see you next time.